Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the best juice recipes for fatigue, headache relief, and faster metabolism. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. You may underestimate the power of juices and their effects on your overall health, but we should tell you some juices are easy to make as well as have tremendous impacts on your health. In this video we are going to be sharing with you 10 recipes of the best juices which are effective for your digestion, weight loss, increasing the metabolism, relieving from headaches, and giving you more energy to reduce your fatigue, so stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Youthful Juice. You can make a huge batch of this juice in the morning and have some sips throughout the day. This juice not only keeps you fresh and energized but also has many different benefits for your skin. For making this juice you just need 4 carrots, half of 1 large beet, a small handful of watercress, 1 or 2 apples, both green and red apples could be used. It is up to you which one do you prefer, 3 to 4 stalks of celery, 2 cucumbers, and if you like it to be sour, you can add the juice of 1 lemon. Blend all the ingredients, and your youthful juice is ready. Number 2. Cucumber juice for boosting the metabolic rate. Cucumber juices are beneficial for skin, metabolism, weight loss, and more. They are full of antioxidants which help your body to flush out the toxins. You need 5 cucumbers, a handful of baby spinach, and celery as much as you want. You can add lemon and ginger to this juice to make it more delicious. If you like spicy tastes, you can add chili powder to increase your metabolism and fat oxidation. Number 3. Green juice. Taking a sip of cucumber celery juice is a great way to start your day, to keep yourself fresh and energetic. It also helps you to lose weight. For making this wonderful juice you need 5 cucumbers cut into chunks, 2 green apples, celery, cinnamon powder, mint leaves, lemon juice, and 1 orange juice. Mix and stir all of your ingredients together. And if you want to serve it in the summer, it would be really amazing to add some ice to it to have a fresh summer juice. Number 4. Watermelon juice. This is a perfect juice for the hot summer days, especially when you are by the beach. Being high in vitamin C makes this juice a perfect choice for those who suffer from fatigue and headache. For making this excellent juice you need some big slices of fresh watermelon, 2 or 3 cucumbers, spearmint, and ice. Put all of them in a blender, and if you want it to be sweeter, you can add honey or sugar. This juice will perfectly keep your body hydrated all day long. Number 5. Carrot juice. Carrots are among the most beneficial fruits. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and many other beneficial substances. Carrots can increase your metabolism, and as they have fiber, they will keep you full for a long time after you eat them. Having a juice that is made of carrots, apples, cucumbers, and celery could have a great influence on your weight loss process and can accelerate it noticeably. So, if you are on a diet and you are looking for a healthy snack that enriches your body with minerals, fiber, and vitamins, it is the time you should make your carrot juice. As we said, you just need carrots, apples, cucumbers, and celery for making this metabolism booster juice. Number 6. Grape juice. Grape juice may be one of the favorite juices among children, but as an adult, you can get the potential benefits of it, too. As grapes contain magnesium, a crucial mineral to prevent migraine attacks, it can help you a lot with this issue. Magnesium is clinically proven to have a connection with nerve transmissions, and it plays an important role to ease migraine pain. This mineral also has advantages for boosting metabolism, cardiac function, and muscle contractions, and more. For having this healthy juice, you need grapes, any kind you want, but it is better to have red grapes and apples. These two will be a great combination and will taste delicious. Number 7. Grapefruit juice. This fruit is a wonderful one which has a different variety of vitamins. It has been recommended by nutrient experts that having 1 glass of grapefruit juice has a huge impact on preventing migraine attacks, easing headache pains, and decreasing blood pressure levels. Grapefruit is also beneficial for keeping you fresh and away from any fatigue because it has a large amount of vitamin C and antioxidants which fight off the toxins and waste products in the body. Antioxidants are also supportive of your skin. For having this super beneficial juice, you need 2 big grapefruit juices, 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey if you like sweet taste, cucumbers, and apples. Blend all these fruits and serve your super nutritious juice. As you know, diet plays the most prominent role in our overall health. Everything we eat or drink has its effects on every part of the body. We may not notice, but many pains or disorders we experience can be caused by our diet, and on the contrary, we can also ease our pain with a healthy diet. Having juice as snacks instead of junk foods can help us a lot to have a healthy and happy life without any discomforts. If you do not like the taste of the juices we mentioned in this video, you can change the ingredient as long as you like its taste. There is no limit, make whatever you like to drink. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.